Hi there, I'm John Bond from Riverwinds Consulting, and this is Publishing Defined. Today I'm going to talk about publishing and the GDPR, or General Data Protection Regulation. The GDPR is a regulation or law in the European Union on data protection and privacy for all individuals within the EU. It aims to give control back to EU citizens over their personal data and to simplify the regulatory environment for international businesses by unifying the laws within the EU. It was adopted on April 27, 2016. It becomes enforceable from May 25, 2018. Quote, the new proposed EU data regulation regime extends the scope of the EU data protection law to all foreign companies processing data of EU residents, unquote. The GDPR brings a new set of digital rights for EU citizens. Publishing, with their heavy use of newsletters, scholarly journal table of contents, promotional email, and much more, needs to pay attention and to make changes to their communication process. Companies or groups that collect, process, and store personal data will become liable for not following GDPR. A lot has been bandied about of fines in the millions of euros for those out of compliance, but let's take one step at a time. The company or publisher, of course, needs consent from any contact that they plan on communicating with via email. GDPR will force publishers to closely examine the contracts they have and to ensure the customer is clear over the details and that it complies with GDPR. Proper record keeping will be important as well. Understanding what third parties are doing with the publisher's contacts and if they are compliant will be important, because their lack of compliance will impact the publisher. We've all seen websites asking about consent for the use of cookies when we arrive at the site. This evolving aspect will become even more important as that part of the regulation is solidified. In the long run, be crystal clear with the process. No more cutting corners or obscure terms and conditions. With the institution of GDPR in May 2018, the publisher should see some positive points. A greater acceptance by the customer of the publisher's emails or contacts, therefore reducing the perception of spam. Also, in the long run, it will impact bad actors in the process and help legitimize communications, so all good boats should rise. Well, that's it. I'm a publishing consultant and work with associations, publishers, and individuals on a host of content-related challenges. Reach out to me with your questions. Hit the like button below if you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel or click on the playlist to see more videos from Riverwinds Consulting. And make comments below or email me with any questions. Thanks so much and take care.